2026 Audi RS3-R is a monster that pushes the limits of what a hot hatch can be, with its amazing blend of brutal performance, precise engineering, and everyday usefulness. Something truly monstrous has shown up, and it has come. As a purpose-built machine, the RS3-R aims to challenge competitors and alter expectations. It is not your average compact sports car. The dramatic aerodynamic upgrades and wider track width of the RS3-R make it quite clear that this is no ordinary little sports car. A terrifying presence belies the immense power concealed beneath the sculpted hood of the RS3-R. This is accomplished by combining the striking front splitter with the RS-specific grille and the larger air intakes. The aggressive appearance and improved high-speed stability and downforce are both enhanced by the seamless integration of the car's powerful fenders, flared side skirts, and rear diffuser. Consequently, the vehicle radiates an air of unfiltered purpose and boundless potential from any angle. The 2026 RS3-R is powered by an engine that is meticulously designed to produce high revs from its 5 cylinders. This engine is like a beating heart. It pumps out a deafening surge of power and has a soundscape that captivates everyone around. With its polished dual-clutch transmission and quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS3-R can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of milliseconds, thanks to its powerful surge and tenacious grip on the road. This is because compared to the original RS3, the RS3-R is noticeably more powerful and responsive. You can conquer winding rural roads or dominate track sessions with confidence thanks to the improved suspension setup, adjustable dampers, and brakes that come standard on this level of performance. However, the RS3-R manages to stay composed and approachable in typical driving scenarios. Inside, the Audi cockpit combines driver-centric ergonomics with first-rate comfort and state-of-the-art technology. The car's performance heritage is enhanced by its sturdy sports seats, distinctive RS trim pieces, and user-friendly controls. The car's cutting-edge infotainment, connectivity, and driver assist features further ensure that passengers' comfort and convenience are never jeopardized. By fusing ferocious power with astute design and agility, the 2026 Audi RS3-R showcases Audi Sport's dedication to producing thrilling automobiles without compromising on delicacy. Being an intelligently engineered beast that is as thrilling to drive as it is off-road proves that practicality and performance need not be mutually exclusive. This segment marks a significant milestone.